The U.S. Supreme Court opened a new term today, and it includes several high-profile cases. Alex Cameron has more details now from our News on 6 Washington Bureau.
Well, recent polls show in the wake of the generally unpopular abortion decision, public confidence in the Supreme Court has hit an all-time low. The justices begin this new term with a full plate and a new face. Ketanji Brown Jackson was formally welcomed to the court. The first black female justice replaces Stephen Breyer, leaving the 6-3 conservative majority unchanged. Among the cases being watched this term, Sackett v. EPA, argued today, which could limit the EPA's authority to enforce aspects of the Clean Water Act. Tomorrow, Merrill v. Milligan, which looks at whether race can influence redistricting. And at the end of the month, 2 cases to decide if race can be used as a factor in college admissions. No case is likely to generate the level of public engagement as Dobbs last December, but 2 as yet unscheduled cases could come close. 303 Creative pits religious liberty against gay rights, while Moore looks at how states conduct federal elections.
Well, the stakes are really high.
That's Cherokee Nation Principal Chief Chuck Hoskin today talking about Cherokee Nation v. Burkine, a case consolidated with Holland v. Burkine that may determine the constitutionality of the 1978 Indian Child Welfare Act, which recognized in the adoption of Indian children a tribe's national interest in giving preference to family members or non-family tribal members.
My concern is this court, having gone the other way from the McGirt case and the Castro Huerta case, will look at the Indian Child Welfare Act and might be persuaded by this phony notion that this is some unconstitutional racial preference when it's decidedly not that.
Now, in that and in all the cases, a decision wouldn't be expected until late May or early June of next year. At the U.S. Supreme Court, I'm Oklahoma's own Alex Cameron.